How to upload YouTube videos from your iPhone or Android device. Welcome back to another tutorial, everyone. Are you a YouTuber or a content creator that wants to share videos on the platform, but you don't have your PC or laptop in front of you? I'm going to show you how you can easily upload your videos on YouTube using the mobile version of the app. It's pretty easy, so let's start right away. The very first step that you want to do is to open the YouTube mobile app on your iOS or Android phone and make sure you are logged into your YouTube account. Right after that, you'll see this little plus button, which should be at the center, and you want to click on it. That's going to open this menu with a couple of different options, and you can see that we can create shorts and upload videos. We'll upload regular, long-form videos that are a couple of minutes long, and I'll do a separate tutorial on the shorts videos. So click on the Upload a Video button, which should be the second one, and that's going to open our gallery. So just find the video that you want to upload on your YouTube channel and click on it. When you click on the video, the app is going to give you a little preview, and you want to make sure that this is the video you want to upload. Once you select the video, we can simply click on the next button in the bottom right corner of the screen and we'll get to this page. We have a couple of different options before we upload the video, just as we would have on our PC or desktop. You can easily add a thumbnail to your video by tapping on this little picture icon at the top left of the screen, and just select a thumbnail from your photo gallery if you have one. Once we add the thumbnail, we can add the title of the video right here. As you may know, the thumbnail and the title of our video are very important, so you can take your time here. We also have an option to add the description to our video, and we can choose the visibility. You'll see the publish, unlisted, private, and scheduled options. So you can make your video public right away, or set it to private. Whatever you like. But essentially, you can play around with these options and add or remove different things. That's up to you. When you are finished with setting everything up, just click on the upload button right here and wait a couple of minutes until your video uploads to the channel. You can check out the progress of your upload by tapping on the library button in the bottom right corner of the screen and then click on your videos right here. As you can see, our YouTube video is uploading and you can see it at the very top of the page. If you want to make additional edits on your video, I suggest you download and install the YouTube Studio application. The app is specially designed for YouTube creators, and you can check your YouTube analytics in there. You can edit your description, thumbnail, tags, and many other stuff. So that's essentially how you can easily upload YouTube videos from your mobile phone. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.